don't always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be covering the Supreme Week 7 retail versus resale estimations. I'm going to go ahead and cover what the retails for some of my favorite items are. If you want to see the full drop list, you can see yesterday's video, which I'm going to link up here. I think it's up here somewhere. In this one, I'm going to talk about my favorite items, the ones that I feel like you should go for if you're trying to make some money, or just some of my favorites that I feel like I would go for my personal collection. If you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and wouldn't enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Also, don't forget to click the Gleam link at the top of the description so you're entered in this giveaway right here, where I'll be giving away Supreme cards and a Supreme tee. Literally all you have to do is leave a like on this video down below, subscribe to my channel, and follow Supreme Ricks on Instagram. The instructions will be in the Gleam link, but go ahead and like this video just for good luck, and let's go ahead and get straight to it. I'm literally just gonna go through it real quick. We do got the box logo long sleeve, which is gonna retail at $48. All the prices are confirmed, by the way. So $48 retail for this piece right here. Not bad. I could definitely see it selling for $200, max $250. And if you are holding this item down the line, it definitely will hit at least $300. I feel like this piece isn't that bad. I'm just kind of sick and tired of seeing the same box logos drop in the same colors. It's like they're not even choosing different colors anymore. I feel like we've seen this green literally not that long ago, but at the end of the day, I am gonna go for the long sleeve. It is what it is. If you haven't had a box logo yet, it's definitely a banger for you. I feel like it's a cool piece. I'm more interested in seeing what other colorways they have, so I can go for something that hasn't released a bunch of times already. We do have the toothpaste, which is coming out this week, and it's being rumored that this is a possible US only release. I feel bad for our EU boys, our China boys, because this is only US. That's what they're saying. We don't know, but typically with some of these accessories, they do make it US only. I do hope that you guys out there, if you are out of US, are able to buy these items, but the toothpaste will most likely sell for like $10 to $12, maybe $15. Retail is $3, so if you could buy a pack of 8 or however many they're selling, you definitely can make some sort of profit on these items. We also do have the wide rib beanie, which wasn't even in the drop list yesterday. This shit is a banger, bro. I'm gonna go for this beanie hands down in the black colorway. I recently bought this loose gauge beanie, and that's kind of what this beanie right here reminds me of. Just that same format on a beanie I definitely am a fan of, so I'm probably gonna have to go for this one if I'm being honest, in that black colorway, just so I could wear it with everything. Would be a vibe. Resell on beanies isn't typically there, but when it does come to resell, black colorways always end up doing good, and the cream ones as well. Also, retail for the beanie is $34, which isn't even that bad, bro. That's actually pretty low. You do have the Fw20 logo crew neck. We've seen them do a bunch of logos for the Fw20, but I definitely feel like the crew neck is probably the strongest one out of all of them. It's just more well put together. I am a fan of like that camo color, the blue and the black. I feel like these pieces will have like $230 to $250 on the resale market, and down the line they will go for at least almost $300 if you hold it for the right amount of time. Retail is $148, which isn't that bad. Once again, that's typical crew neck shit. On the front it says Supreme, on the back it says Justice for All, which I really do love, but this piece is clean. It's rumored that we're gonna get a sun pin as well, which is probably gonna look like the sun tee. I am gonna get into the tees real quick. The sun tee is a banger, bro. I'm excited to see this one sit a little bit so I could go ahead and go for it. I honestly don't know what color I'm gonna get it in, but regardless, this sun tee right here gives me fire vibes, no pun intended. It's just hard, bro. Like, you cannot go wrong with this tee right here. I feel like resale for this one is gonna creep up. Mark my words on that. Down the line, this sun tee will start doing this, bro, and people gonna be like, what the fuck, where did that come from? This is that tee right there. The sun tee and most of the tees are releasing for $38, and then the Smurfs Tea, which is right here, is gonna drop for $48. I assumed it honestly because it is a collab, and once again it has that front and back print, so it does cost a little bit more to make it, I guess, but this is a fire piece. To me, I actually do kind of like it. It's growing on me. I feel like at first it was a little bit too much, but I don't know, bro. It kind of does look cool. I still feel like if the back design was on the front and the front was on the back, it would be way better, but this isn't bad, bro. I'm gonna see what other colorways they got in store store, I don't know. I'm gonna probably end up going for that though. Resell for that piece is easily gonna hit $90 to $100 in the right colorway, right size. We got the Supreme Clientele piece, which is a banger, bro. Yesterday, I honestly couldn't really talk about it because I feel like the tee wasn't letting me see the back design, but this is by Ghostface Killah from Wu-Tang. This is the title of an album, and if you guys don't know, they did drop a Clientele tee in the past. It just didn't have the Supreme branding on it. This one is a banger, and I definitely am a fan. I'm gonna try to go for this piece hands down. If I could get it in black or like a navy color, I'm in there, bro. But we do got this ultra fresh tee, which once again I did cover yesterday. I feel like it's nothing special, nothing over the top, to be honest. I feel like this is one of the ones that you just add in the little cart and get up out of here with it. I feel like the Clientele tee is gonna sell for at least 100, 110 bucks in the future. Like when the season is done, it will definitely hit 100 plus. But this ultra fresh tee shit is kind of weak sauce, I'm not gonna lie. Shit is alright, bro. I do want to say that if you're interested in boosting your chances at buying these tees this week, you should go ahead and check out Addict.io. They actually did a tiny restock simply for the box logo. They restocked a couple copies just in case you guys are trying to go ahead and check it out. They cover over 85 stores from Kith, Supreme, Vape, Undefeated, Yeezy Supply, and more. Obviously, it's not a guarantee that you will succeed on the items because it's not that easy even for super expensive bots, but this is a way to just increase your chances. If you go manual and have Addict running, the chances of getting the item is way better than just going manual. Also, if you guys are trying to check it out, I'll leave the link at the top of the description, and you can go ahead and use my promo code ASTRO for 10% off on the bot. Just go on their website and see if you do end up enjoying anything that they have to offer. And if you have any questions, you can also shoot me a DM on Instagram, and I will try to answer to the best of my ability. But I would recommend you guys to just go on their website, see what's up. If you do like it, it's only you. Go ahead and give it a shot, bro. You never know, this might be the way that you cook up your box logo. I'm trying to use as many possible ways to get the box logo this upcoming Thursday. Literally from left to right, I'm trying to do everything I could possibly do to get it, and this is another way to go ahead and increase your chances this upcoming Thursday. But let's go ahead and get back into this video. We also do have this scratch tee right here. This is, like I said, a Pixar vibe on a tee. This is nothing too special. This is that item that you add to that triple card shirt. This is that one, bro. The only tees that I'm mainly trying to go for this week are the Clientele tee, the Sun tee, the Smurfs, and then the box logo. Everything else is kind of mediocre, and I'm not trying to overspend. I'm only trying to buy as much as I need, and if I buy a couple pieces for the raffle here and there, I might go ahead and do that as well. Pills tee is straight buns. Like, I don't know why they even dropped this shit. This shit is weak, bro. Like, who the fuck is buying that shit? Not me. Definitely not, bro. We got this Stonewashed Sweater, which is actually a banger. Low-key, this is one of those pieces that if it was a weight dead or weak, I would actually consider going for this item. I like that black washed one. The navy one is fire as well. Even that tan one is clean. I feel like this is a piece that you could wear to go on a nice little dinner or something like that. It's not just a Supreme sweater type shit. Like, it's a different knit. It's a different vibe on a Supreme piece if you ask me. But they did add this technical field jacket. It's alright, bro. It's nothing over the top. Literally, I don't even see branding on this shit. It literally has a little piece of branding on the top right here. $248 for that. They could lick a whole tip from start to finish from the back. Like, we good on that one. Then we got the Fox collab, which I'm tired of talking of. Shit is ass. Let's just let that shit rest, bro. I'm not going for no Fox shit. We got the Supreme Dicks tee. This shit is crazy, but apparently it's from like this album that dropped a while ago. I'm not really too well rounded on it, so I'm not even gonna act like I know too much, but this is apparently an album cover from the Dicks band or Supreme Dicks band. I don't know what their name is or where they come from, what they do, what they're about, but all I know is that it says Supreme Dicks on a piece. I don't know if I'm gonna go ahead and wear this or buy this. Hey, to each his own, bro. There's this Precision 6 panel, which is another piece that they recently added. The font and like the whole vibe of it on the front low-key looks like a Hennessy bottle. I don't know where they trying to go with that one, but shit is still ass. Like, nah, they've done so much better that I feel like that shit is just not doing it for me. And low-key, those are all the items I wanted to cover. We also have the big logo beanie, which is one of those which I feel like it'll do 70 bucks resell. Nothing too extravagant. I feel like they haven't dropped it in a whole year, so it might do something, but retail is 40 plus shipping is 50. You sell it for 70 and then pay fees. It's just not worth it. Definitely this week I would recommend going for the Sun tee, the Smurfs tee, the Clientele tee, obviously the box logo. That Rib Beanie might end up doing something, and then obviously the toothpaste you can also go for. Those are the items that are kind of on my hit list, ones that I'ma personally be going for. I want to know what you guys are going for. Let me know in the comments what you're trying to pick up this week. I wish you guys the best of luck also on this drop, and if you have any questions on anything, just go ahead and shoot me a DM on Instagram. Smash the like on this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And don't forget to click the Gleam link so you can have a chance to win this Supreme tee and these cards right here. All you have to do is like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and follow the homie Supreme Ricks on Instagram. And that's it, bro. It's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel, yo.